Hi, I'm Nick Neacsu with the Neacsu Group, and I'm here today on an exclusive preview of 1515 Alberni by Bosa Properties. This is a collection of 202 high-end units located in Coal Harbour, and I'm excited to show you around. Let's go check it out.
Hello, I'm Wendy. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exclusive showing at 1515 by Bosa Properties. What you see here is one of the most talked about and highly anticipated new developments coming to Vancouver. It's right between Stanley Park, and you get so many beautiful ocean views, as well as just being in the most convenient part of downtown. 1515 brings a powerful and productive concept into downtown living. We're talking about a three-dimensional building designed by the renowned international designer Ole Sheeran. The walls of the entry gallery are finished in crafted wood that matches the ceilings and also the floors for a consistent, fluid flow throughout the whole design. All residents will also enjoy this beautifully engineered and crafted kitchen. When I talk about high quality, let's take a look at this travertine stone that carries throughout the kitchen cabinets. On 202 floors with 65 unique floor plans, please contact us. And don't miss out on this great opportunity to own in this beautiful and renowned 1515, which is going to be Bosa Properties' most sought out and most high-end luxury residence.